How to program Verizon Fios remote to TV. So to pair with your set-top box, point the remote at the Fios TV one box, and then press and hold the play or pause and then the O buttons simultaneously. Release when the blue light starts flashing on your top box, and then once the blue light stops, pairing is complete. Now to control your TV, go to menu, head over to settings, head over to voice control, head over to Fios TV voice remote, and then head over to program voice remote, and then click on automatic setup. Now if automatic setup fails, choose manual setup. Select your TV brand or model and follow on-screen instructions. And that is how you can basically program Verizon Fios remote to TV.